Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E350 4MATIC for sale. I'm going to do a quick video walk-around tour, show you some of the features, and of course, if you're interested in learning more, or even setting up a test drive, you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. Alright, so this vehicle comes in a silver exterior. We've got a black interior. And a very sharp, very clean. We do have the premium Burmester sound system, upgraded speaker system. We've got power memory seats, heated seats. We've got heated steering wheel. Hopping inside, mileage currently at 24,673. Got a push button ignition. Just love this wood grain accent trim throughout the vehicle. Definitely super sharp, especially with the silver accents throughout. And here is our display, currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below your display, we have climate controls here. You got buttons here to access different functions like your navigation and radio. Here we have our center console. We've got a touchpad here for making adjustments on your display. You also have the dial here as well. Here's our dynamic select switch. This is how you can switch between different sport modes, which will affect how the vehicle handles out there on the road. And opening that up, we've got our cup holder, we've got some USB connections, and we have our Mercedes shifter. We also have steering wheel controls here for making adjustments on your display. Also got one here for making adjustments right here, which is really nice to customize. Personally, I'm a big fan of the navigation one, just to kind of keep navigation front here, so you don't have to look off to the side at all. It's just right there by the steering wheel. Pretty cool. Okay, so I'll show you a few more things. Alright, so rear seats here. Another quick peek back up front. And another look at the sunroof, both front and rear. And then coming around to the back, we've got our E350 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. And push button to close. So that is the 2020 Mercedes-Benz E350 4MATIC. If you're interested in learning more about this vehicle or even setting up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.